Priyanka Kakkar who wants to make a point. And Priyanka Kakkar, number one, if you are respecting the courts, the court has discharged Arvind Kejriwal, but other courts have made their observations earlier. What would you say about that? And what would you make of the fact that it was the DPCC president who wrote to the Delhi police commissioner asking for a probe? You have dismissed the Congress in this entire thing and calling the BJP as the main conspirators of this case. Why are you letting off the Congress party?
I will come to the Congress again, but first let me address Mr. Anand Ranganathan's views, because clearly he hasn't gone through the order yet. Otherwise, he wouldn't have mentioned the 2-3 ill-placed arguments that he gave. So I request him to kindly read the order, because he will know that the court held that there was nothing wrong with the liquor policy and went into quite great detail there. And let me also tell him that the same liquor policy is implemented in Punjab, unlike Gujarat, which is a dry state, or जहाँ अवैध शराब का धंधा होता है. Perhaps Anand ji belongs to that mindset, that he prefers the kind of liquor that is available in Bihar and Gujarat.
I can also rebut.
Dry states.
ये गुंडागर्दी का मत चलाइए.
To my request to all panelists, let's not get personal. Let's stick to the topic at hand. Yeah,
अगर दम है तो रिबट मी ऑन फैक्ट्स. अगर दम है.
Yeah, let's stick to facts. Okay.
अपने शीश महल में मत रहिए.
Anand ji, all I'm saying is that it's a 600-page order, sir. Don't need to.
I don't think you can comprehend what I said.
600 पेज का ऑर्डर है, टाइम लगेगा.
मैं बोलूं आपके लिए,
उसमें एड्रेस किया हुआ है.
Okay, one minute.
यहाँ पे बोले बीजेपी.
Yes, Priyanka Kakkar, while you're responding, his point was the observations of the Supreme Court and High Court are also on record.
Yes.
Respond to those.
I'm coming to it.
अगर दम है तो उसमें वो रिस्पॉन्ड करो.
Okay.
Navika ji, when the Supreme Court granted bail in the PMLA case to Arvind Kejriwal ji, the Supreme Court said that ED is behaving, ED CBI behaving like a caged parrot. That was the final observation in the Supreme Court.
She's talking of another case.
Judgment it was, and today, and even the PMLA court, while granting, had said that there is the ED ने द्वेष की भावना से काम किया. I recall vaguely it was para 99.
Navika, look at the goalpost shifting
on the issue that I constantly
kept saying. Goalposts have been shifted.
Anand, allow her to complete. I will come back to you. Please don't disturb her train of thought. Please allow my viewers to listen to her point. Today, please give them the chance. They have been incarcerated. 150 days in jail for Arvind Kejriwal, over 500 days for Manish Sisodia. Today, when the verdict has gone in their favor, allow them to speak. You want to counter? I'll give you an opportunity. Priyanka Kakkar ji, go on.
Very grateful to you, Navika ji, because you see what had happened is, and we constantly said this also, that ED CBI also was constantly planting news which was then debated and discussed, but none of those allegations found their way even to the courts. I mean, they were so hollow. And अब तो साफ ही बोल दिया कि कोई ऐसा भी तथ्य नहीं है 4.5 साल की इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद कि मुकदमा चलाया भी जा सके. It was such a weak case. And I'm saying that despite this, let me also be very categorical in stating this fact that since Modi ji became the Prime Minister, our ranking in the corruption perception index has only increased. It has not reduced. करप्शन तो हो रही है और बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है. पीएम केयर फंड में हो रही है, इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड में हुई. अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोई जांच नहीं होती. ब्रिजभूषण जी आके टीवी पे बोल देते उन्होंने मर्डर किया, उनके ऊपर कोई जांच नहीं होती. So this is the kind of privilege, so to speak, that the BJP enjoys right now, and the BJP then misuses these agencies जिनको हमारे ही टैक्स पेयर के पैसे से सैलरी मिलती है हमारे ऊपर झूठे केसेस करने में.
All right, Priyanka Kakkar made her point, but did you notice, viewers, that on 2 occasions I've asked her about the Congress, and on 2 occasions she's ducked answering all the memes that the Congress is today putting out. I don't know the reason for that, but Anand Ranganathan, you have a quick counter.
Let me, okay.
Yeah, no, just on facts, because I don't go taunting others, especially dear friends who are fellow panelists. Number one, corruption हो रही है, I agree. तभी तो आम आदमी पार्टी ने इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड से पैसे लिए. Number two, let's not shift the goalposts out here. The 2 instances that I talked about was the High Court and the Supreme Court looking at the same evidence that CBI and ED provided and coming to a prima facie different conclusion. What Priyanka ji is talking about is the Kejriwal. Now, please, 1 second. Now, you cannot deny this because I have quoted verbatim from the Supreme Court order, Navika. I want you to challenge me on that. So let's not shift goalposts. All I'm saying is I respect this order, but then somebody has to explain the variance of Supreme Court and High Court.
Which will be only answered when the matter or the appeal goes to those courts. Nobody can preempt what those courts are going to say based on the verdict today. So just hold your horses and wait for all the things to unfold at a future date.